Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube class. In this video, we will see how do we compare two strings considering the case. Now what do I mean by considering the case? It means uppercase A is not equal to lowercase a. Now this kind of string compare is typically used in password matching. Now what is the function? Strcmp is a function and this is a built-in function available in string.h and it compares two strings. Str means string and cmp is compare. It compares two strings. Now how do we know that the strings are equal or not? By knowing the return value. If the return value is 0, that means the two strings are equal. If the return value is -1, s1 is less than s2. Now I will say what is s1 is less than s2. Now if the return value is +1, it means that s1 is greater than s2. Now say for example the value of s1 is abc and I write s2 is also abc. Now if I write a function called as string compare strcmp and I say two parameters s1 and s2. Now what does this string compare function will do? It will match character by character. First it will check is a equal to a? Yes. Now still the string has not ended. We have to check each character of the string individually. Is b equal to b? Yes. Is c equal to c? Yes. Now you reach the null character. That means all the characters of string 1 match with the characters of string 2. Therefore the string is equal and the return value for this is 0 because the strings are equal. Now let's take another example, and if I say s1 is equal to aac and let me take s2 is equal to abc. Now how does the comparison happens again? Now it will check is a equal to a? Yes, a is equal to a. Now it will check is a equal to b? No, a is not equal to b. Now the string compare doesn't check further. It will compare till the first point of mismatch. Very important. It will compare till the first point of mismatch. Now since a is not equal to b, if I say string compare of s1 comma s2. Now what is the ASCII? Now what is the first parameter? A. Now write the mismatch character over here a. What is the s2? It is ABC. Write the mismatched character over here ABC. Now you take the ASCII difference. Now what is the ASCII value of character A? It is 65 minus 66. It is less than 0. Therefore string compare will give -1 as answer. It gives -1 as answer. Are you getting it? This is how the string compare works. Let's take some more example and try to find out how does the string compare work. Now if I say s1 is equal to abc and I take s2 is equal to abc. Now this is considering the case. Now compare, is a equal to a? Yes, a is equal to a. Is b equal to b? No. This is the first point of mismatch. You stop. What is the first parameter here? S1. The mismatched character is uppercase b minus the lowercase b. Now what is the ASCII value of uppercase b? It is 66 minus what is the ASCII value of lowercase b? It is 98. Again it is less than 0. Therefore it gives answer as -1. You note one thing, it is considering the case. That means uppercase a is not equal lowercase a. Now let's see some more example before we write the program for the same. Now if I say s1 is equal to aae and I say s2 is equal to aa. Now how does this matching will work? Now we compare, is a equal to a? Yes. We compare, is b equal to a equal to a? Yes, a is equal to a again. Now you reach the null character. You check, is e equal to null character? No. That means what is the first parameter here? E minus null. What is the ASCII value of e? It is 69. ASCII value of this is 0. It is greater than 0. Therefore it gives answer as +1. Therefore it gives answer as +1. Now if I take the same string again abc and abc and let me change the parameters over here. I say s2 comma s1. Now what is the return answer? Now a equal to a? Yes. B equal to b? it mismatches. What is the first parameter? S2. What is the mismatched character of S2? B minus what is the mismatched character of over here? B. It is 98 minus 66. It is greater than 0. Therefore, the answer is +1. That means when you compare two strings, it is not kind of a commutative in nature because -1 and +1 are interchanged, but when they are equal, it returns 0 as answer. This is how the string compare function works. And what is the built-in function? Strcmp available in string.h. Please pause the video over here, make the necessary notes and try to write down the program for string compare without using the built-in functions. Thank you. Let us see how do we compare two strings by considering the case. You declare two strings S1 and S2. Read the value of S1, let the value of S1 be say ABC. Then you read the value of S2, let the value of S2 be say ABC. We know that these two strings are equal, and let us write one function called as string compare. Let us write one function called as string compare. What are the two strings that I want to compare? S1 and S2. And what is the return type of the function? The return type of the function is integer because it returns -1, +1 or 0. We say int. What is the function name? String compare. What is the first parameter? S1. It is character one dimensional array. And the second parameter is S2. Again, it is character one dimensional array. Let's see how do we write it. I say int. The function name is string compare. The first parameter is character one dimensional array. The second parameter is also character one dimensional array. Okay. Now as soon as we call the function, the scope of the function gets activated. Now this is string compare. There are two parameters, S1 and S2. Whenever the arrays are passed, the base address gets passed, not the complete array. The base address over here is 1000. The base address over here is 2000. Now what I need to do? I need to compare each character of S1 with the corresponding character of S2. And wherever there is mismatch, I need to stop and return the appropriate value. Now, the index starts from 0, therefore I say int I equal 0. And what do I write? While S1 of I is not equal null character, or S2 of I is not equal null character till it reaches the null character. Now the value of I is 0. This is where I is. This is what we are comparing. Now compare S1 of 0. Is it equal S2 of 0? If true, go to the next character and match. Hence, I write if S1 of I is equal S2 of I. Yes, S1 of 0 is A, S2 of 0 is A, both are equal. Yes, you say I plus plus, the value of I will become 1. Now that means these are the two characters that I have to check now. Go back, S1 of 1 is B, not equal to null character. Yes, true or false is true. You come here, S1 of 1 is B, S2 of 1 is B. Both are equal, therefore you go and match the next character. Now S1 of 1 is C, not equal null character. Yes, S1 of 1 is C, S2 of 2 is C, C is equal C. Yes, again you say I plus plus, the value of I becomes 3. S1 of 3 is null character, S2 of 3 is null character, null is false, false or false is false. That means we come out of this loop and we know that the two strings are equal, and if two strings are equal, we return 0. We return 0 to the point from wherever it is called. This is C, and I write here int C, and we check if the value of C is equal 0, printf strings are equal. Now let's take the another example and see how does the strings work. Now let me take the first string as ABC, and let's take the second string as ADC. Now again you check the value of I is 0. Now if the value of I is 0, this is where we are comparing. S1 of 0 is A, S2 of 0 is A equal A. Yes. Now you say I plus plus, the value of I will become 1. Now you check. S1 of 1 is B, not equal null character. Yes, S1 of 1 is B, S2 of 1 is D, B equal to D, no. Now you need to subtract and check if it is less than 0 or greater than 0. Hence, I can say else if S1 of I, if it is less than S2 of I. Now what is S1 of I? S1 of I is character B. Character B is nothing but 66. S2 of I is nothing but character D. It is 68. 66 less than 68. Yes sir, 66 is less than 68. That means I need to return -1. I need to stop comparing. There is no point in comparing further because string compare compares two strings till the first point of mismatch, and we return -1. -1 will be returned. The value of C will be -1. We say else if C is equal -1, I say S1 is less than S2. Now let's take the other case. Now let me take this character as Z. Again you compare. Is A equal to A? Yes, you say I plus plus. Is Z equal to D? No. Is Z less than D? No, because the ASCII value of Z is 90, D is 68. Therefore, we say else, and what do I return? I return +1, or you can just write 1. +1 will be returned. C equal +1, no. C equal -1, no. We say else, S1 is greater than S2, and we stop the main function. This is how we compare the two strings character by character and return the answer. Now please pause the video over here and make the appropriate notes, then we will see how do we use the built-in function strcmp. Thank you. Let us see how do we write strcmp function, that is the built-in function. Now if I want to use built-in function, this is the point where I write strcmp and two strings I want to compare S1 and S2. Now if I say strcmp, you need not write this function because this is not at all needed, and instead of this prototype, what I need to write? I need to write #include string.h, because we are going to include a file that is string.h. This is how we use the built-in function. Rest all remains same to compare the two strings. And if they ask in exam to compare two strings without using built-in functions, this is how you need to write, and this is how the code will look like. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the channel with your friends. Thank you.